Good afternoon, America. Mark Kelson here today at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon, to present to you a beautiful Newmar Dutch Star 3736 2019 model with a 450 Cummins in it. Let's go inside and see what it looks like. Coming in here, you'll see the colors are just absolutely exquisite together. You got the two chairs right across from the little love seat, and then behind the love seat you have the televator. So as you're sitting in your recliners over here, you can lift the TV, watch TV, whatever you want to do. You have the Bose soundbar up top. Beautiful cabinetry in this, by the way. It's that coastal cherry. Coming right back here, this one features the little table and chairs with the buffet behind it, which is really cool. Now this will pull out, so you're gonna have a couple of extra chairs back there, but it's very nice. Over here, Corian countertop on top of your induction cooktop stove with a bunch of full-length extension drawers underneath. Look at those darkened handles. Those are really nice. My goodness. Up here you have the convection microwave. More drawers. Here you're going to have a dual stainless steel sink with this beautiful Moen faucet that has that same tint as the handles. Very nice. This coach does feature pull-out drawers in a few locations, which makes it really easy to get back and get the stuff in the back that you've pushed back there and can't get at. Coming back here, you have a refrigerator, and this is a Whirlpool refrigerator and freezer. Right back there you do have an ice maker in the back of the freezer area there, and you will have water out the front of the door right here. You're going to have on a 3736 this little pantry area right here with the pullouts. Again, full extension, lighting so you can see what you're getting, and also those are you can put them up and down and you just put it right where you want. So if you have cereal in the top or whatever, you have enough room. Now right behind you, in a bath and a half, is the half bath. Look at that. So you got guests here. They're staying on this little sofa up here. They need a bathroom to use, and you have your door closed off. That's right where they go, right there. Pretty awesome. Coming back here into the bedroom, this features a queen bed, full 60 by 80. Beautiful headboard, the wood, everything matches. Backlighting on these fascias on the side. You have the two windows on the side for air flow in this bedroom area. Now behind us here we have the TV with a little exit window back there, and then you have dual wardrobes on either side and 6 drawers underneath. Plenty of storage for your clothing in this coach. Coming here to the back, this features a huge corner shower right here with storage back here, a safe, full-length wardrobe right there, the vanity right behind me. Nice little area right there to put all your toiletries in, and then drawers down here. Coming over here, spot for washer dryer, stackable, or use that for whatever you want to use it for. Big storage area. Right here the commode, and you do have the egress door right there, so that opens up, a ladder comes down, you can get out in the event of emergency. Let's go up in the cockpit, see what it has to offer up there. One thing this doesn't have is carpet, and they have that hydraulic slide right there, and so it's able to lift all that up. It allows them to put tile in that slide out. That's pretty amazing because that's heavy stuff. Coming up here, you're on a Freightliner custom chassis. So you're looking at a 450 Cummins in this coach. You have hydraulic levelers, which is HWH. You have the Allison transmission. You've got a backup camera, you got navigation, you got side cameras, you got the generator up here, you got the engine brake, you got everything at the touch of a button up here. Up in this cabinet up here, you see you have the Oasis, you have the G2 awnings, which are very nice. There's 2 of them on the side back there, and they integrate into the side of the coach. We'll see that when we go out there. The Magnum inverter, just everything at the touch of a button. This is styling right here. Let's go outside and see what it has to offer. So 37, 36, short coach, screaming power in this thing. If you want to get some tickets, this is the one to drive, that's for sure. 305 tires on it, comfort steer in this coach, so you can go around some real corners at some speeds that are just unbelievable. It's very nice how good this corners. Outdoor TV right there. Side open baggage doors. Right here you do have a pull-out tray, putting all your storage stuff in there. Some extra tile in the event that, for whatever reason, one breaks or something, but pretty nice to have. And then we got right here a little pegboard for your tools or whatever you want to put in there, and another storage area that goes about 3/4 of the way through. Coming to the back, you're going to have another little storage area. There's our door that we looked at from the inside, and here are your starter batteries right there. One of the impressive things is how they incorporate the slide outs and the doors and stuff back into the sidewall of the coach rather than overlap them, and so that gives you a better seal, less chance of water intrusion or air intrusion. Just a little touch that Newmar does that's pretty darn impressive. Coming to the back, you have your engine compartment with the 450 Cummins XCR. You have your 10,000 pound hitch down here. Your camera right here. You can watch your tow vehicle, make sure it's there, make sure it's tracking perfectly. Coming to the side, because this is a 450 and it is a Newmar, we have a side draft radiator. Pretty important right there. That's a good feature. Up here, you're going to have your def tanks right there. And your full wall slide, huge. Coming up here, you have your 50 amp service on a cord reel, which is very nice. You're not having to fumble with a cord, which is not very fun at sometimes. And your water bay. So again, you have the hose on a reel. You have the water filter, you have the outdoor shower, you got the tank rinses, you got the sewage rinse, you got everything up there that you need for the water situation in your life. Right here is your Oasis, your diesel fired furnace, hot water on demand. That is a nice feature. Coming up further, you're going to have the back side of that storage tray right there. And we got more storage right here. Your side cameras, your run bay, your generator right here. If this coach is of interest to you, or any of the coaches we have on the campus, please give me a call. Mark Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.